People are an organization's most precious asset. When employees are safe and comfortable, they'll be happy, making a more efficient workforce. With the right workwear being properly maintained and laundered, you can easily provide protection for your employees, whether it be from rain, cold, dark, or hazardous conditions. Without the right maintenance in place, however, your workwear can become ineffective and no longer compliant with safety regulations. At phs Besafe, we offer a fully managed PPE workwear supply and laundering service. We provide garment solutions to over 3,000 sites nationwide, proudly helping to ensure the safety and working comfort of thousands of people. phs Besafe are experts in workwear and laundering services, and can help you ensure your clothing is always suitable for the job it needs to do. Our total workwear management solution is designed to keep you compliant with legislation. We provide advice on what garments are best suited for the working environment, a measuring service for employees to ensure the best fit and comfort, branding of garments to promote your company, a unique laundering and repair process, a collection and delivery service for clothing. We offer a full management reporting service. Barcode tracking will provide you with information about your workwear, such as usage by wearer or site, its repair history, to the full garment life cycle. In fact, just about any criteria you require. phs Besafe's managed locker service will deliver laundered garments directly to employees' individual lockers. This helps reduce casual theft and remove the need for staffed cloakrooms or stores on site. Additionally, when your garments have come to the end of their working life, we can safely and securely dispose of contaminated branded workwear garments that have reached the end of their life cycle. phs Besafe. Workwear and laundry solutions tailored to your needs.